Every year, 800,000 people are trafficked across national borders, 63% of which are women and girls trafficked specifically for sexual exploitation. Here at the Open University, Dr. Saraswati Dawadi is conducting vital research into improving the lives of human trafficking survivors. This research is already empowering marginalized communities in Nepal and Nigeria.
We are trying to empower the girl victims of human trafficking because in Nepal, 54 girls are trafficked to India every single day. We feel like, if we want to support the girl survivors of human trafficking, we have to work not only with the girls, but also with the community people, but also with their family members.
So it's a big part of your work interviewing survivors and speaking with survivors to try and kind of feed their voices into the research?
Yes, last year, I collected data from Nepal and Nigeria, and I have collected heart-wrenching stories. One of our key findings is that the support mechanism available for the girl survivors of human trafficking in developing countries has not been very effective because they are following just a top-down approach. They don't try to listen to the voices of the victims, actually the young girls who have become a victim of human trafficking.
Are there any kind of solutions you've identified to try and reduce, the amount of human trafficking that's happening?
So we are trying our best to listen to the voices of the girl victims of human trafficking, and then we are trying to provide the right kind of training to them. In a way, we are preparing them for future so that they can contribute to supporting other girls who have become the victim of human trafficking. So we are focusing on need-based support.
Dr. Saraswati's research is part of the Open University's social justice mission. It's having a real impact on these women's lives today and also creating sustainable change for the future. If you would like to find out more about research projects or courses at the Open University, go to open.ac.uk.